Hey guys, so I was looking for possible solution how it's possible to fix the issue if your Canon R8 is overheating. So even here, if you are in a 20 Celsius room and go to 35 sunny outside Celsius, shooting 4K, it will likely overheat. So also what you can try to do is that when you're gonna stop, let's say, recording or taking photos, completely turn off the camera. Don't have it for log mode in a, that it's going to be like active. Like completely turn it off, only because that even those few minutes between those sessions can help to improve the overheating. So the second thing is that don't have it on direct sun if it's possible, and recording video when plenty of people reported the 4K 60 FPS was like really pressured for the camera when they were like recording outside. And another thing that I also read is that you can try to use a more faster SD card, but like a Canon is actually like trying to see if this is the issue with the firmware or if it's a hardware, because even the person wrote here that Canon R5, which is not frequently overheating, however, since the firmware 1.6 the issue have been virtually resolved. So that's like really good. So just want to make this like quick video for you. Hope it helped you and have a great day and goodbye.